Goal is to help the coaches mentor the athletes. In the wrestling program, Coach Guy or Coach Jamison have mentored me in working with the spiritual growth of your son. They're kind of the founding fathers. They taught history for a long time, and they're the ones before I came that started this program. If my own sons were back in high school, I would feel extremely fortunate to have Coach Guy or Coach Jamison as their coaches. I know after talking with many of you that you feel the same. Thanks to all the wrestling coaches, especially Coach Geyer and Coach Jamison, for all their effort in making your sons men of Moeller. Our first award we're giving out tonight is the Sports Leader Award. I'm going to give out the Sports Leader Award to start things off. This is a historical event. This is the first time that an athletic team at Moeller has handed out this award. It's the first time that Sports Leader has had a school hand out this award. Let me talk to you about Sports Leader first. Sports Leader is an international organization with close to 3,000 participants. It is a virtue-based mentoring and motivational program for coaches and athletes that seek to create a brotherhood on the team. This task is bigger, tougher, and more elusive than any opponent a team could ever face. It's understanding that I must lose some of myself in order to serve others. Individual egos must die in order for a team to live. It's learning how to be a teammate. Being a good teammate simply means that I know how to sacrifice for my brothers to achieve a greater good. In order to achieve this brotherhood, the coach needs to act as a facilitator, coaching the whole person of the athlete, the body, the mind, and the soul, which makes us who we are, the best version of ourselves. The coaches strive to bring out the true strengths in every young man, his virtues. As for the players, it means following team rules and knowing that my attitudes and actions have a profound effect on the success of the whole. It means recommitting to each other on a weekly basis before meets. We commit that my contribution to the team will be my best self, best version of myself. This commitment extends to all facets of my life. It's how I conduct myself as a man, from the classroom to the wrestling mat, to the outside community. Wherever I go, whatever I do, I carry with my team, knowing full well that I'm connected to a group that loves, accepts, and respects me, and shows family spirit. Sports Leader seeks to build men of virtue. I truly believe that all your sons have sought to become men of virtue under the mentorship of Coach Geyer, Coach Jamison, and the rest of the assistant coaches. However, there is one wrestler that stands out in this category, and that wrestler is Chad Mackey.